In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate an IKEA credit card. Before you begin the activation process, make sure you have already received your physical IKEA credit card in the mail. It's important to wait until the actual card arrives, since you'll usually need the information printed on it to complete activation. Once you have it, take a moment to check that the card details look correct. Also, keep your card and any personal information you may need nearby, so the process goes smoothly without interruptions. Next, open your web browser and go to the official card activation website provided by the issuer of your IKEA credit card. Make sure you're using the official page, since activation should always be done through the legitimate issuer's website for security. Once you're on the correct page, look for the option that says Activate Card and select it to begin. After that, you'll need to log into your online account. If you already have an account set up, simply enter your login details and continue. If you haven't created an online account yet, choose the Register or Create Account option. You'll then be asked to provide the required information to verify your identity. This step helps protect your account and confirms that the card belongs to you. Once you're signed in or registered, enter your card information exactly as requested. This usually includes the credit card number, the expiration date, and the security code, also known as the CVV. In some cases, you may also be asked for personal identification details to complete verification. Be sure to enter everything carefully to avoid delays or errors during activation. When all the information has been filled in, review it before submitting. Double check the details to make sure everything is accurate, then submit your activation request. After that, wait for the confirmation message letting you know that your card is now active. This confirmation is important because it tells you the activation has been completed successfully. After your card is activated, you can set up your account preferences. Depending on the options available, you may be able to create a PIN, set up online payments, enable account alerts, add payment methods, and review your credit limit. These settings can help you manage your card more easily and keep track of your account activity. Once everything is complete, your IKEA credit card is ready to use for eligible purchases at IKEA and, depending on your card terms, possibly at other accepted locations as well. Just make sure to review your card's